Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I had always thought that they would have been better off putting him in prison than sending him to Nasarawa State, because Emir Sanusi of course needs the rigor of intellectual debate to sustain his being. So I was one of the people who applauded then when he won that court case that stopped the Kano state government from sending him to Nasarawa, and he ended up in Lagos. Of course, Lagos being the hub of intellectualism in Nigeria. Guys, I bring you this. Muhammadu Sanusi offered fellowship program at Oxford University. So this guy, of course, is a very lost acquirer of knowledge and is an insatiable lover of wisdom. So of course, is going to Oxford to even expand more on his intellectual base. So the headline again: Muhammadu Sanusi offered fellowship program at Oxford. So now let's now see what this is all about. Muhammadu Sanusi dethroned Emir of Kano State. So that is actually factually wrong. It's not the dethroned Emir of Kano State, but the dethroned Emir of Kano Kingdom, because Kano Kingdom predates Kano State, and Kano Kingdom, the emirate in Kano, it expands beyond the borders of Kano State. So it's actually the deposed Emir of Kano Kingdom, not Kano State. So we take that from the top again. Muhammadu Sanusi, dethroned Emir of Kano State, has gone back to school after the former monarch was offered a fellowship program at Oxford University. The development was announced by the University Management Committee of African Studies after the former emir's request was granted. Sanusi will resume in the center in October for the 2020-2021 academic year and use the period to write a book based on his experience as a banker, public analyst, economy expert, and former Central Bank of Nigeria governor. But of course, we want a book on his experiences as the Emir of Kano as well. It continues. According to Oxford University, Sanusi, who served as the CBN governor from 2009 to 2014, intends to use the period of his affiliation to write a book around the theme Central Bank Response to Global Financial Crisis, a case study of the Central Bank of Nigeria 2009 to 2013. Oxford University's African Studies Center is one of the world's leading centers of African studies. A renowned economist and vocal intellectual, Sanusi was deposed as the Saki Kano by the Governor Abdullahi Ganduje-led government over alleged insubordination and abuse of office. He has since relocated his home to Lagos State after a court ruled his banishment to Nasarawa State was illegal. Meanwhile, Governor Nasir El-Rufai said the deposed Emir of Kano has accepted appointment offered him by the Kaduna State government. Sanusi's acceptance of the appointment was contained in a statement signed by Muyiwa Adekeye, who is the media aide to Governor El-Rufai, on Wednesday, March the 11th. Governor El-Rufai expressed gratitude to the former emir for continuing support and assist the realization of the governance objectives of Kaduna State. So I'm not quite sure what that means, but that is how this is rounded off. But the main thrust of it, of course, is that Eze goes to school and the Emir goes to Oxford University. So a very lost acquirer of knowledge, I described Sanusi as. He has always been that, of course. I'm only taking the descriptives from the template of his being. This is how he has lived his life. He's always a man of letters and a man of the books. So a man of letters and a man of the books, and he was only ever going to end up in one place, and that place is either Cambridge or more notedly Oxford, where he has ended up in. So Eze goes to school, the Emir goes back to uni to acquire more knowledge. What says you come share thoughts? The Emir will be carrying school bags on the streets of Oxford. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all three, come into the comment section, then come tell me what you're making of this Emir turned schoolboy as the life and times of Sanusi the second continues to evolve. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.